Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be talking about groups. So, group is basically it's sort of like a group of view. It's a container view basically that can group your elements um, to display on the screen. So, why? First of all, we need to understand why do we need groups. So, if you look at VStack or any of the containers, one thing you're gonna soon realize that they don't support more than 10 views inside. So to demonstrate, let me show you. Um, if I insert like so, I have one, two, three, four, five views, right? So if I insert these 10 views right here and resume. Um, right now, basically your VStack is gonna show up just fine. It has like 10 views, and 10 views can be displayed fine. But if you add like one more like that, you're gonna notice that it actually throws this error extra argument in call. The reason is that view builder itself does not support more than 10 elements, whether it's vstack, hstack, any container view. And that limitation you're going to realize that you hit pretty early on if you're building a complex UI. So how do you go about overcome this 10 element or 10 children element limitation? So that's where groups come in, and this basically applies the 10 element limitation applies to vstack, hstack, scroll view primarily, and these are your main layout views. So you're gonna basically have you're gonna run into this more often. So what you can do is you can create groups. So let's say I can create a group of um, text views, right? And then I can have more. Technically, I have 5 and 6 as a child for this VStack, right? So what this does basically, it gives me a flexibility to have more, so I can have another group, and inside that group I can display more. So as you can see, this is now supporting many more views than it was doing it earlier. Right now I have 15 texts that are showing up, and those 15 texts are just gonna show up fine. Now group itself does not have any visual layout. It's not a container. It's basically just to group these elements, so the limitation for the child can be eliminated. That's one use case. Second use case is if you are trying to return a whole bunch of item, and if you want to group that return type, then you can actually use group for that as well. Okay, but yeah, this is how you're most likely gonna find yourself using group to overcome the limitation of vstack, hstack, scroll view, like other container views, where view builder actually really early on hits the limit of 10 children per view. Okay, so that was it for this video. I wanted to quickly show you how you can use groups and what are the things that you run into when you're using VStack and how to overcome those. Okay, so hopefully you like this video, and I will see you guys in next video. Thank you.